everyone! Today, we're tackling a common challenge in Azure DevOps pipelines: how to run PowerShell scripts as an administrator, especially when you need to import certificates. This is a crucial skill for many deployment scenarios, as tasks like certificate import often require elevated permissions that aren't available by default. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure your pipelines can handle these critical operations smoothly and securely. The core of the issue is that Azure DevOps agents, particularly Microsoft-hosted ones, run scripts under a service account that typically lacks local administrator rights. For operations like importing a PFX certificate into the local machine store, these elevated permissions are absolutely necessary. You can't simply right-click Run as administrator in a pipeline, so we need a different approach. The solution lies in using self-hosted agents. Microsoft-hosted agents are shared environments, and for security reasons, they do not grant you administrator access to the underlying machine. This is where self-hosted agents become indispensable. You provision your own virtual machine, usually a Windows server, and install the Azure DevOps agent software on it. The key step here is how you install and configure this agent. When you set up the self-hosted agent, you must ensure that the agent service runs under an account that has local administrator privileges on that machine. This could be the local system account, which inherently has high privileges, or a dedicated service account that you have explicitly granted local administrator rights. By doing this, any PowerShell script executed by this self-hosted agent will inherit those elevated permissions. Once your self-hosted agent is correctly configured and running with administrator rights, integrating it into your Azure DevOps pipeline is straightforward. In your YAML pipeline, you simply specify your custom agent pool using the pool keyword, like pool, your self-hosted agent pool name. Then, within your pipeline, you can use the PowerShell task to execute your script. For example, to import a certificate, your PowerShell script might look something like this: $pfx file path equals c /path / your / certificate.pfx, $pfx password equals your _cert password, Import-PfxCertificate file path $pfx file path password $pfx password CertStoreLocation cert, /LocalMachine My. This Import-PfxCertificate command, especially when targeting the local machine store, requires administrator privileges, which your self-hosted agent now possesses. Remember to handle your certificate files and passwords securely. It's highly recommended to store your certificates in Azure Key Vault and retrieve them securely within your pipeline using Azure Key Vault tasks, passing the file path and password as secure variables to your PowerShell script. This ensures sensitive data is never exposed in plain text. So, by leveraging a properly configured self-hosted agent, you can reliably perform crucial administrator-level tasks, including secure certificate imports, directly within your Azure DevOps pipelines. This method gives you the control and flexibility needed for robust deployments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from this information, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support helps us create more valuable tutorials. See you next time.